Okay, this is Erin dancing. Come on in, Erin Rose. Let's see you dancing. Dance! You twirl round. Okay, can you do ballet? You point your toes. Can you jump? Good girl. Can you walk? Can you walk back to the windows? Who's beautiful? Let's do a bit of ballet. Do this. Twirl round. Woo! How beautiful are you? Whoop! You're too dizzy now. Right. Kiss, kiss. Blow me a kiss. Yay. Come on then. Come to mummy. You are beautiful.